Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new LP Cushion Forklift, model number CPYD25C KU1H. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds and it runs on LP. You'll see there that it has three-way hydraulics, and while we're on this side, I'll mention that it has a cup holder as well. Now, coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, these are black, smooth cushion tires. And coming up here to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights, as well as these combination lights up on the top that have your running light and your turn signals as well. Now, coming inside of the cab, we have lots of great features, including that convex rear view mirror. We also have a steering wheel knob and a fully adjustable steering column. The seat here is a fully adjustable full suspension seat that has that orange high visibility safety belt. And back on that back pillar, you see we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb at all times. And while we're on this side, I'll show you that it has this paper clip, which is very handy for any papers that your operator might need to keep. Now, up on the top, we have those combination lights that show your brakes, your turn signals, and your reverse. And we also have that magnetic yellow strobe that is repositionable and movable. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.